Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change Jetstar flight time. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have of course the option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Jetstar flight time. So first of all, go to the Jetstar website as I told you and click on manage booking, which is the button here. Then after that, you need to select the option to change flight. After you have of course put in your booking reference and email address here or surname. I don't have this option now because I don't have a flight, but when you have one, the flight will be here. Then as I told you, select the option to change flight, choose a new flight time for available options, follow the prompts to confirm the changes and pay any applicable fees. If your booking was made through a travel agent, you may need to contact the travel agent directly to make the change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.